Now, valence shell electron pair repulsion theory, that is VSEPR theory. This VSEPR theory, according to this theory, the geometry of molecule or ion depends on the number of electron pair in the valence shell of its central atom. Right? To attain the minimum repulsive state, electron pair try to stay as far away as possible because repulsion is minimized, therefore away from each other. If third point, if the central atom is surrounded by only one bonded electron pair, similar atom, the repulsive interaction are similar and molecular geometry is regular. If the central atom is surrounded by only bonded electron pair, dissimilar atom, the repulsive interaction are not equivalent and hence the geometry of molecule will not be regular. For example, here VSEPR theory means valence shell electron. Suppose that there is a carbon dioxide. In case of carbon dioxide, carbon double bond O, double bond O. See here this structure is linear because at the central carbon, this carbon is a central atom. Here there is no lone pair electron, so that no repulsion and hence the bond are linear and bond angle is 180. That is the no linear pair, low lone pair, therefore its structure is linear. But in case of, if we discuss the geometry of water, see here H2O. In case of H2O, O contain lone pair of electron. Due to these lone pair of electron, the bonded H is repelled. Bonded H is repelled and the bond angle is 104.5 minute. So this angle is 104 due to the repulsion of this lone pair, right? Due to the repulsion. Where repulsion is minimized, the stability of bond pair will form. That is the structure of water, and here show the lone pair repulsion to the bond pair. Now same way, if we discuss as the repulsion of lone pair, the repulsion of lone pair is same as multiple bond or single bond. See here, in case of ozone, there is a lone pair. This lone pair repelled similar to the double bond as well as single bond. There is a there is a repulsion is same to the single or double bond. There is not now in third case O3, the repulsion power to the single or double bond is similar to each other. In case of ammonia, if we discuss ammonia NH3, see here NH3, why this NH bond is bent? Because of due to the presence of this lone pair. This lone pair repel the bond pair and hence the structure become distorted tetrahedral and the bond angle is 107 point. This now see, if the central atom is surrounded by both, that is bond pair as well as lone pair, then the repulsive interaction are not equivalent and hence the geometry of the molecule to be irregular. Now see, always lone pair role pair repulsion is greater than the lone pair bond pair than the bond pair bond pair. Here bond pair is always repelled by single lone pair or double lone pair. If two lone pairs are there, it repelled to the one lone pair and bond pair greater, then this one lone pair bond pair repulsion is more to the bond pair. So in this way, this series lone pair repulsion is greater than the lone pair bond pair and greater than the bond pair is a very weak repulsion, right?